Meta courses are different than regular courses. We're going to go into a meta course, we're going to turn the editing on, and we're going to create a forum to replicate a single simple discussion forum. So we're going to go to the week, click on Add an Activity or Resource, locate the forum icon, click the radio button, and select the Add button. We're going to name the forum and put in a description. This will be a standard form, and then we're going to scroll down and look at the ratings. We're going to figure out how we want to rate this. For this particular example, I'm going to do maximum rating, and I'm going to give them a total of 10 points for this particular assignment. And then I'm going to go down to Common Module Settings, and I'm going to make sure that Separate Groups is selected. And then I'm going to save and display. The next thing I have to do is go up to Forum Administration and to Permissions. Once I click on that, I'm going to go to Advanced Role Override, and I'm going to select from the drop-down menu Student. I'm going to scroll down quite a ways. I believe it's item 25, and it is going to allow or disallow students to do certain activities. This is a more advanced feature in iLearn 2.5. So now that I've scrolled down to Start New Discussion, I am going to go to the right of that and select Prevent. This will prevent the students from being able to add a new discussion. We're going to scroll to the bottom of the page and save those changes. And now the students will be prohibited. Now you want to make sure that in your main page of your forum, Separate Groups is set to all participants, and you want to add a new discussion topic. We're just going to name the discussion Test Forum for Topic Section 01. Type in your discussion topic here. We're going to scroll down, and under Groups, we're going to make sure it's just going to be for Section 1. Click the Post to Forum button. There is a quick message: you have 5 minutes to make any changes. And now you can see there is our test forum topic for Section 01. We're going to create a new discussion topic. And we are going to now create a second topic. And this one will be for Section 02. And then we're going to type whatever the discussion topic is going to be. We're going to scroll down to the bottom, and under Groups, we're going to make sure Section 02 is selected, and then click the Post to Forum, click Continue, and now we have a test forum for both of our sections. And I think the best way to show you how it works is to come in as a student. So there's our Meta Single Simple Discussion. Now what I'd like to do is go up to Course Administration, Users, and Groups so that I can show you there's my Section 1 group with my 2 students, and there's my Section 2 group with the 2 students. And you can see Big Bad Bob is one of my students. So I'm going to pause the recording, and now I'm going to go in as Big Bad Bob so that you can see what he sees. Now I am back and logged in as Big Bad Bob, and he's going to look at the discussion, and he only sees Section 2. He does not even see Section 1. So I'm going to click on that as Bob, and I'm going to reply, and I'm just going to type in, "This is Bob's reply." And then we're going to post that for Bob. So he'll just post a forum. He has no option to add a new topic, but he can reply. So now we'll leave Bob and go back to you as the instructor. refresh my page just to make sure we have the new data. And now if I go to the discussion, we see that the two sections are there, but that there is a post from section 2 from Bob, and we can read Bob's response. And that is how you would set it up and how you could use a single simple discussion in a meta course. We hope this has been helpful. Again, if you have any further questions regarding meta courses or iLearn, please contact the CAT office at 831-582-4648.